Hey guys, Alex actually just found a baby bird. He is injured, and we're gonna get him some food right now.
No, we're not. Well, the first thing to make food. So let me show you where we actually. I found the bird. So, story. The bird was actually laying right here and on my stairs. So I was coming up the stairs and I found this little baby bird. I thought
The nest must have been right here.
No, I don't think so. The nest was probably somewhere up there because maybe the mother was trying to train the bird to fly, and maybe the bird could not fly.